How to create account on eToro app. Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how to create account on eToro. Let's do it. Open first your eToro like this, and right now when it will open you will wait here until it's loading, and after this click continue and click get started. So here you have to sign up with your email or your Facebook or your Google account if you want. Choose your language. For example, me, I would choose English, and I will here add my email. Click continue right now, and right now choose your username and choose your password. Accept, and I know, for example, they told me to enter a valid password. Now I will click create account, and right now I create my account. You have to complete your profile. It's optional if you want to skip it for now, or you wanna do it. For example, I will just skip it for now, and that's it. Right now I create an account, easy and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.